Hello students, today we are going to study the types of numbers. First of all, we are studying here prime numbers. What are prime numbers? A number that has exact only two factors, not more than two factors. What are they? First one is 1 and the other is itself. Now let's read the definition. Prime number, a number that has only two factors, itself and 1. We'll be clearing the concept of prime number through an example. Example, 7 is prime because the only number that will divide it into it evenly is 1 and 7. Two factors it has. One will be the number 1 only and the other will be the digit whose prime factor we are taking out. 2 is a prime number and 2 is an even number and 2 is the smallest even prime number, and all the prime numbers are odd only except the case of 2. Every other even number has 2 as a factor 2. That's why no other even number is a prime number. This line is clear, as only 2 is our prime number and that too an even number. Other than that, the prime numbers we have, that are all the odd ones. And what is the key point we have to keep in mind regarding the prime number? That it will have 1 as a factor and the other one will be the prime number itself only. Two factors will be there, not more than two factors. Our second type of numbers, composite numbers. What are composite numbers? A number that has more than two factors. They are just the reverse of the prime numbers. Prime numbers have two complete factors, not more than that, and whereas composite numbers have more than two factors. Let's take an example. The number 8. They have taken 8 and the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 8 also comes in the table of 2, 4, 8 also comes in the table of 4, and 8 also comes in the table of 8 only. So how many factors total are there? 1, 2, 4, 8. 4 factors are there. So this is a composite number. If there would have been only two factors, then it would be called a prime number. The basic difference between a prime number and a composite number is that prime number has only two factors, whereas composite number has more than two factors. Prime number includes odd numbers, whereas composite numbers include even numbers. But we have to keep in mind one point, that 2 is a prime number and that too it is an even number. It is a smallest prime number. Recall some of the basic points related to prime and composite numbers which we have studied. First point, 1 is not a prime or a composite number. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is our natural number. Second point, 2 is the only even prime number. We have already discussed while we were discussing the concept of prime numbers. Third point, not all odd numbers are prime. Most of the numbers are prime if they are the odd ones, but not all. Examples also they have given, you can see. Fourth point, all composite numbers can be written as product of the prime numbers. Composite numbers can be written as product when we are multiplying the prime number. Discuss the concept of prime numbers and composite numbers. Here from 1 to 30 numbers have been there. We'll be segregating them, which one is a prime and which one is a composite. So we'll start. First, number 1, the digit 1 is there. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite as we have already studied, and 2 is an even prime number. So moving on to a third one, that is 3. 3 is a prime number. How we came to know that is 3 is a prime number? it has only two factors. One factor is 1 and the other one is 3 itself only. Moving on to the fourth one, we'll be seeing 4 has how many factors? By what table it has been divisible? 1, yes. 2, yes. 3, no. 4. Like this. Like this we'll be solving and we'll be checking it, the prime number and the composite number. Through the concept we have discussed, students often get confused in between the prime numbers and the composite numbers. That's why I have taken this topic for today. Students, you need to revise this concept thoroughly. In the next video, we'll be discussing the concept of whole numbers and natural numbers.